Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Ningrum Putri Jayanti, NPN 2241148. I will be presenting here aspect financial. The financial aspect is an essential part of business management that relate to how an organization of company plan, acquires, manage, and control its financial research. The financial aspect is as to assess the overall financial health of the company, determining investment plans to cost-benefit calculation by comparing expenditure and income, such as fund availability, cost of capital, the ability of a project to repay those funds with a set time, and evaluation whether the business will continue to grow. Okay, next, financial assessment. Overall, the assessment of the financial aspect include factors such as sort of accurate funds, investment cost needs, estimate revenue, and investment cost include the type and amount of cost during the investment period, project balance sheet and profit and loss statement, investment evaluation criteria, and then financial rotation to access the company capability. Source of funds. Own capital. Own capital obtained from the business owner, such as deposit from shareholders, profit, refresh, and undistributed profit. 2. Forced capital and or loans. Capital obtained from external source, typical in the form of loans from banks or non-bank institutions. Estimate receipt, expenditure, financing, and investment. 1. Receipt. Receipts are divided into two categories. 1. Operational receipt and 2. Non-operational receipt. Operational receipt from sales of goods that have been processed where the selling price and value to the initial purchase. 2. Non-operational receipt. Receipt from side active unrelated to the core business, such as bank interest, vehicle rentals, and bonus. Okay, next, 2. Expenditure. Expenditure are grouped into two categories. 1. Fixed cost and variable cost. Fixed cost routine expense that include regress of production, such as telephone bills, salaries or honoraria, electric costs, equipment maintenance, and exchange. 2. Variable costs. Okay, next, financing. Financing source is to fund business activity that will the create without whether for own capital or external capital. Receipt, expenditure, and financing in business feasibility study are present in a cash flow statement that show the capital needs for the business. Okay, investment. Investment is an expenditure that is not depleted and can even increase in value because the investment is maintained and depreciated over time. Investment can include building, land, machinery, office equipment, transportation tool. Okay, next, cost budget plan. Costs are divided into two categories: one startup cost and two operational costs. Startup cost is a cost incurred to acquire asset needs for the business. In other words, startup costs are investment expense made when a company is about to be established. Two, opera, uh, operational cost. Operational cost is cost incurred by the company to carry out production activities such as purchasing raw material, paying salaries and wages, overhead costs. Okay, next, measure to form business feasibility based on investment criteria. One, cash flow. Cash flow is the amount of money entering and leaving the company from the time the investment is made until the investment ends. Two, payback period or PPA, a method for assessing the time it takes to record the investment in a project or business. Three, a French rate of return or ERR, a way to measure the French return rate by comparing the French pre-tax profit with the French investment. Okay, for net present value or NPV, a comparison between the present value of cash inflows and the present value of investment over the investment period. And 5. Internal rate of return ERR, a tool to measure the internal return rate of an investment. Okay, 5. Profitability index RPI, a ratio that shows the relationship between the present value of net received and the present value of investment expenditure over the investment period. Okay, financial statement analysis. Financial statement analysis involves calculation to assess the financial condition of the company in past, present, and future possibility. In financial statement analysis, there are their main assessment: liquidity assessment, profitability assessment, and then solvency assessment. Liquidity assessment is an indicator of the company's ability to pay all short-term financial obligations when to assign a flip current asset. 2. Profitability assessment. Profitability assessment is the company's ability to generate profit. The measurement is related to sales volume, total asset, and equity. And then 3. Solvency assessment. Solvency refers to the company ability to pay its debts when the company is liquid. Okay, next, type of financial ratio. Liquid ratio, a ratio that shows the relationship between the company cash and other current asset with its current liability. This ratio is asked to measure the company's ability to pay short-term obligation. Activity ratio, a ratio that measures the effectiveness of the company in utilizing its asset. Leverage ratio or salvage or debts, a ratio that measures how much the company has debt financing. Profitability ratio, ratio that shows the company ability to generate profit from its capital. And then market ratio, a ratio that measures the market price related to the book value. Okay, next, solution. Solution, the financial aspect is a vital component of business management that encompasses the planning, management, and control of financial research to assess the feasibility and sustainability of a business. The financial assessment is conducted through analysis of source of fund, investment needs, revenue, and expenditure project, and the company financial performance. In the process, the financial aspect evaluate to business feasibility through indicators such as cash flow, payback period, ERR, NPV, ERR, and profitability index. Additionally, financial statement analysis is an essential tool for evaluating the financial condition of a company in terms of liquidity, profitability, and solvency. With sound financial management, a company can design effective investment strategy, maximize maximize profit, maintain financial stability, and support sustainable business growth.
Oh, wow!